Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of HYIP investment website. So if you also want to make your own power bank HYIP investment website, then you are on the right video. In this video I am going to give you the complete overview of this website, and viewers, if you also want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. And if you want us to build the complete website for you, we will do that for you. So you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description, and we will build what you want. So first of all, you can look at its amazing login page. Here user can enter its mobile number and password in order to log in. Now if user don't have an account, user can go to sign up and user can first create the account. So here we will enter our phone number. So here enter your phone number, and here enter your password. After entering these details, here you have to fill the reCAPTCHA, and here you can see there is a refer code, so you can use this, or it's an optional thing, you can remove it, or any person can refer any other person through this code. Here I will click on sign up, and you can see that I have successfully logged in, or my account has created successfully on the website. So it's very easier to create the account on the website. Here you can see there is a banner out there. You can change this banner from admin panel. So this banner, and you can insert multiple banners from admin panel. Currently the currency is NGN, but currency is also changeable. So if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, and we will completely do all the work for you. Either you buy script or either you buy complete website. And here you can see there is about us section, so user can go to this page and read about your website. Here is the referral section, so you can see your referral link over here, and you can copy this link and you can invite any person using this link, and you can also earn sign up bonus or money using this referral link. Here you can see your total balance, recharge balance, and this is about a section. As I told you, here you can see different investment plans on the website. So let me tell you, you can change the images, or you can delete these plans from admin panel, and you can create the plans with any other images. So you don't need to worry about these images or this concept. So you can use your own images on the plans. So here if user want to buy any plan, user can click on buy plan, and here user can see all its details of the plan and images on the plan, and user can buy this plan from here. So currently we don't have any balance, so we cannot buy this plan. So when user have balance, user can buy this plan, and all the detail of the plan will be shown over here. Daily income will be shown over here, and interest, everything will come here. And basically you can see there's a price 300 NGN, daily ROE, you can see it over here, 30%, daily return, and validity for days. And if you want to see details, you can see details out there in this section. Viewers, here in this section, similarly show you your username, your balance. You can get extra commission through promo or gift codes that admin can give to the users. Here you can see your orders over here. So same, you can see your plan progress or commission, interest commission over here. Here you can see all your payment details, payment record will be shown you over here. So all withdrawals, recharges will be shown you over here. And here is a bind bank, so you can bind your bank for recharge or for withdrawal. So you can for withdrawal you can bind your bank details over here, or you can use cryptos as well. Here you can withdraw your money. First of all, to withdraw money you must have to set your bank details, and you can easily take withdrawals. Here all the referral income will be shown you over here. So you can see different levels of income, level 1, level 2, everything detail related to this referral income will be shown you over here. On deposits on you of your referrals, withdrawals, and all the things will be shown here. And you can see total deposit, total withdrawals, and you can see all your referral commissions as well. Here is a support option as well, so you can contact the support as well. Here is a recharge option. So you can see there are currently method 1, method 2. So you can use any of the method to recharge money currently, but you can make the crypto gateways or any other gateways from admin panel. So we can change the names, and here suppose type the amount you want to recharge, click on recharge. Here you can see method 2. So here bank details will be shown you over here, and your address. Currently these are demo details over here, so when you will put your address or amount, etc., so that will be shown you over here. Here user have to enter the name and user TRX ID, and here user can click on confirm payment and click on confirm payment, and your recharge request will be sent. So currently recharge has sent successfully, so it's pending now. Here you can, in records, you can basically, in payment record, you can easily see the payment record over here. So we'll go to payment record, and you can see your record of 2000 ngn is currently processing. So when admin will approve it, the amount will be added to our account. So this is how user can recharge and withdraw on the website. Here is FAQ. User can go to your Telegram channel, user can talk to support, and this is the logout option. So this was all about the user panel of this website. I hope you like this user panel, and you can change the look of this website as well. So we will provide you complete support with it. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I'll show you how we can completely manage this website from its amazing admin panel. So now to go to admin panel, what we have to do is we will just copy the link, and here we will type /admin. So this is the admin login page of this website. It is a very amazing admin panel. Here we have to enter our admin email and password so we can log into our admin panel. So here I'll type my email, so admin@gmail.com. Here we will enter our password. So now when I click on continue, it will log me into my admin panel. So viewers, you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of this website. So first of all, you can see the total users on the website. Over here you can see 5 users, total plan purchased on the website. You can see total improvements, total check-ins, total bonuses, codes, already used bonus codes. Here you can see total withdrawals on the website, pending withdrawals. You can see rejected withdrawal, approved withdrawal, deposit detail will be shown over here, and you can see rejected deposits. So this is the home page. Here you can see the notifications, etc., will be shown you over here. Here you can change your admin credential, you can check your inbox, you can see your passwords, you can log out. And viewers, here you can see the salary. Just leave that option. So here is a bonus code. That is the main option. Here you can give bonuses to user using these codes. So you can generate a new bonus codes, click on add new, and from here you can generate a bonus code and set the bonus on that code, and you can give bonuses to user using that code. Here is a slider option. So as I told you, currently there is only one slider on the home page. As I showed you, this is a one slider over here. You can delete this and click on add new, and you can easily add a new slider banner on your website. So this is how you can add a slider banner. Here is a VIP plan section. As I told you, there are currently 4 plans on the website. You can delete them. If you want to edit them, you can edit them as well. Like click on edit. So here you can edit them, you can edit their prices, images, validity, commission, total average amount, everything is editable from here. And this is how you can edit or delete them. Suppose I want to delete them, I can delete any plan from here. So here, this is how you can delete the plan. Now if you want to add your own plan, click on add new, and by filling name, title, upload image, price, validity, commission, ROI, so you can create your own plan easily on this website. So this is how you can create the plan to your website. Here you can manage all the customers on your website. From manage customer, you can view all the customer, their images, profiles, referral IDs. You can see their names, phone numbers, active VIP plans. You can see your in this section. Here you can see your balance, their balances as well. You can ban them, you can unban the user. So from here you can give them bonus, so you can add balance to their account, or you can send them bonus codes. Here you can log in as a user, you can ban them from here. So you can manage the users related activities or things from this section. Here you can see all investment records in this section. Here is a customer payment section. So when user will request a deposit, the deposit request will come here. So you can see all the deposit request in this section. Now if you wanna reject it, approve it, you can do all things from here. Suppose I wanna reject it, I can reject them from here. So from here we can approve or reject the deposit. Just click on approve if you wanna approve it, or reject if you wanna reject it. So this is how you can approve or reject the deposits of different users. Here you can see all approved deposits in this section. So all the approved deposit will be shown you over here under this section. And here is a customer withdrawal. So when customer will request a withdraw, it will come here, same like deposit. So you can approve the withdrawal request of customers from here. Similarly, you can see all approved withdrawals of different users in this section. So these are all the withdrawals that are approved already. So you can see them from here. You can see rejected withdrawal, user gift, you can see them from here. Here is manage methods. So you can manage all the methods on the website. So here you can see there are different methods like method 1, method 2. So you can change them with your method name like USDT, TRC20. You can delete them as well. Now if you want to add new method, just fill these details, address or image, and you can create a new method from here. So it's very easy to create a deposit methods on the website. Here is a setting option. So you can set withdrawal charge, minimum, maximum withdrawals, demo site URL, Telegram URL, services, customer care URL, referral commission, and first, second, third, open deposit, payouts. So you can disable, enable different things from here. And you can use the GTR pay merchant gateway as well if you want to use, or you can just leave it out. So this was all about the user panel of this website and admin panel of this website. I tried to guide you completely about this. Now if you want to know more about these sites, or if you need any other design, you can contact us. We have many other HYIP investment amazing designs in app views are available. You can contact us and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your other friends who need this kind of websites.